Alright guys, in this Trek into DIY Tech, we're going to do another channel update because it's been a while and a lot of things have happened and a lot of things haven't happened. Uh, but I just want to go through that so you guys know where we are and where our next projects are going to be. So as you guys know, we were headed for more on this drone, this is the Red Snapper. If you guys want to see that, I'll put some links to the videos for that. I'm a big fan of doing nadir mapping, and so this drone was to be a drone specifically for that. So it was gonna carry an action camera and this, that, and the other. As some of you may know, we've moved from Florida to Georgia. And shortly before that, I had a mishap with the laser. You'll see it in the video if I finish the next video in the series for this one. You'll see what happened in the video. It kind of self-destructed part of itself. But anyway, that being said, we were doing the move in two phases. So the first phase, we brought all the essentials up. The second phase was supposed to bring the lab stuff up. So in that time, we had an ice storm on, the days that we were supposed to drive down and pick up the lab and bring it up here. So best laid plans of mice and men, that did not happen because of the ice storm. And we have a limited budget here, so we kind of have to regroup and plan that second trip out. It's probably going to be next month sometime, which also means that a lot of the stuff that was going to go into that drone is not here now. So what we're going to do, we're not going to stop the train. We're going to go back to the ZD550 drone, and that's probably some of you are probably cheering about that because this was a popular project. So we're just going to go back to that. I have the components here. We're going to put that back together, and we're going to go back to doing some ZD550 drone projects. Should be pretty exciting. I also have a component that's going to go in here for precision landings and things like that using QR code, actually June code, which is a variant of QR code, 2D QR codes. But we'll get into that later. But anyway, that's where we are. Work has picked up quite a bit, so this this channel is not monetized at all at this point. And if you guys want to see, us get to that point, like, subscribe, share with everybody. If we get more people on here, more view time, maybe we'll get monetized someday. But as it stands now, we're not monetized. So I do have a full-time day job and several other consulting jobs that I do to keep all of this going. So as more work is coming in for the day job, obviously there's less time to put together these projects and videos for you, but I will continue to try to keep the channel going for you. But anyway, that's where we are. And hey, as always, appreciate the time you spend with me. We'll see you in the next video.